Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series C coding in Arduino Mega. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 3. Hello world from Arduino C coding. So, this is what we are going to write our first set of code using Arduino. So let me see if my Arduino is working, guys. So I'll just show you how it looks like, and then probably we will take it forward from there. And yes, my Arduino is connected and it's blinking, so it's all set. So guys, you have to connect your Mega board into the USB from serial port to your one of your USB ports in your laptop or in your computer. All right. So once it is connected, and then we should be back to coding. All right, guys. So let's see what we have. So, guys, basically, in any programming language, right? Traditionally, it's a tradition to write "Hello World." You talk about Python, you talk about C++, Java, or any programming language in the world. Hello World is the first code, the first program whenever starting to learn any kind of new programming languages. All right. So the Hello World program simply writes the text called Hello World, okay, with two double quotes on the screen, right? You can just code it and it will populate on the screen or on the terminal. It will purely depend upon the operating system. For example, in Jetson Nano, I showed you how to remotely log in through your Windows system using putty, and you open the terminal and write the Python code, and the output you can see on the terminal itself, right, using the IDE, the inbuilt IDE. Same way for Arduino, we will do the similar kind of exercise, right? The purpose of this program, the Hello World program, is to verify that your programming environment is properly installed. That is your Arduino IDE or the other IDE, the platform IO, which I showed you, right? Of course, we are going to get into more details of platform IO in the upcoming future lessons. All right. For now, we will be using Arduino IDE. If your Hello World program works properly, then you are ready to start learning the new programming languages. So let me show you how to write your first first line of code using C++. All right. So what we need to do, let me just share my IDE. All right. So this is my Arduino IDE and I'm going to write the program. Alright, so what we need to do, first we need to put a serial begin, okay, serial.begin. So we need to go to void setup. This is the bare minimum code what we have, the default sketch what we get in Arduino IDE. And then you need to write serial S. The uppercase and the lowercase makes a lot of difference, guys. Same like Python, right? In C also it makes a lot of difference. SERIAL, serial. Can you see the color changes immediately? It becomes red. Serial dot begin. There you go. And then what we need to do? We need to set the baud rate. I'll talk about the baud rate very soon. Okay. For now, let's say 9600. Okay. And then always the C or C++ code, every line of code should end with semicolon like this. All right. And then what we need to do, serial dot print line. Serial dot print line. Line for short it is LN. Oops, not uppercase L, it's small case. Okay, serial print LN. Now what we want to print, we want to print hello world. So open parenthesis, always open the parenthesis with a curly bracket, and then a double quote, and then what you need to do, hello world. So hello comma world, since it's two different letters, and close the parenthesis. And most important, the semicolon, okay? End of each line of the code in C++ in Arduino, it ends with the semicolon. All right, you got to understand this. Now what we need to do, guys, we need to upload, compile and upload this program into our Arduino. All right, how do we do that? So first you need to go to tools and make sure that your Arduino Mega is connected to the right COM port. So in my case it is COM16, in your case it might be COM1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, right? It will depend. And then select that and make sure that you have selected the right board. In my case it is, you need to go to the processor and then select Atmega 2560. In my case it shows like this, and I'm going to select that. And then you come on the right left side on the top, you can see a upload button, an arrow button here. There's a tick mark which is to verify. Let's verify if our code is correct. So I'm compiling, this is getting compiled. Can you see at the bottom, compiling sketch? Okay, done compiling. That means there is no error. Absolutely great. Now let us upload this code. As soon as I upload, you can see a blinking, your LED in your Arduino Mega will blink. Upload. Uploading, done uploading. All right, now let's go to the terminal here. Okay, on the right hand side, can you see a serial monitor terminal? Boom, there you go, guys. It also shows the timestamp at what time the code has been uploaded, and it says hello world. So guys, basically, it's a pretty simple mechanism. The way it works is, I'll show you. Maybe I'm not able to share the screen of the pop-up through the terminal. I think let me just drag this window and I should be able to show you. No, it's a dual screen, so probably that's the reason I'm not able to show the pop-up window, but I can share you the image how it looks like. So let me try to explain. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, so basically your pop-up window, when you click the serial monitor here, can you see? So that will open your monitor window. So it will open another window and you can see the program called Hello World. All right. So basically the program output, this is the output text of this particular serial.begin 9600 and serial.print ln, which is Hello World. And the baud rate is nothing but your speed. It's basically the speed of the program which it has to run, right? So basically, guys, you need to just save this program as hello world in your sketch folder by selecting file, save as. All right, say for example file and then save as, like this. If you click here, it will open up a window and you can save that particular program, and once you save it, you can open it anytime and run that. Okay, so that is how a simple program like hello world works. So I hope this is clear, guys. This is a very simple program and this is the way to begin with, and I'm going to show you a lot more other programs and it's going to get more and more interesting. All right, so this is a one step for you guys to get into the world of Arduino, get into the world of microcontrollers, and over a period of time, after maybe 40-50 lessons we covered up, this particular series is going to be interconnected with your Jetson Nano series to build autonomous robot using Python program. Now here in C++, some of the AI functions in Jetson Nano, and then I also showed you how to connect the motor drivers and drive the motors. So all these things will be combined together, guys. So that's how the track is going to be. All right. Until then, I'm going to get back to you soon in the next lesson. Bye bye. Do give me a thumbs up. See you.